illegal aliens. But then the people in country illegal.
It can't rain forever.
Yes, yes.
The sun is gonna shine again, and sometimes it's gonna shine so bright on you when it does.
Yes.
Things that you would never expect. Like, I had many, many blessings to come later after that moment that, you know.
You good? Yeah, I'm good. You're good? I feel you are fugitive. I feel you are fugitive. Not good.
A wanted criminal.
A wanted criminal. We can't go outside.
Soon as them put a poster we wanted dead or alive. Raje, Joseph, Vanessa, Morgan.
I'm tired now. Wanted criminals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus the guy quote us already, so. You're a fugitive from a long time.
Better fugitive. Stop it. Oh God. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hi guys. Well, this is the start of the last vlog that you saw. So anyways, me try to do something here. Never work out at all. I've got peloti. But today is the day that our thing they would have expired, and we still not get we renewal as yet. So we just there try to stay low under the radar.
Yeah.
So we don't get deported. But we're supposed to hear back from the hospital. They said that they reach out to the government, so we're supposed to hear back from the hospital today as to see what was the decision made and how they can proceed. So because they did submit all the paperwork and everything, so we just have to wait now.
It's my first criminal act. I mean, not even did do it.
Don't say that. Stop it. Yeah. So, anyways, we await that as we proceed this day. Remember to just be awesome. God will take care of everything. Hi guys. So me get up, me put in my exercise. Yeah. When you see somebody come, loading 2025. Somebody soon reach. Alright. So me get up, me do my exercise. Got Raje some breakfast. Never want nothing much this morning. We just get him some fruits and thing, and then now me wash. Yeah. Wait, let me show you. I already know that this is where I wash. I use the bidet to fill my baths, my washing on my baths, and then I catch them in my sink, rinse. Second them over here, so put them back over here, so and rinse them. It's a lot of work to say the least, but you already know I'm gonna do what needs to be done, and yeah. No matter what happen, I'm gonna make the most of it. And I'm imploring you to also do the same. Make the most of each day, regardless of how it looks. Right? So today's vlog is gonna be kinda like probably a short vlog. I don't know, because I'll be a short vlog, I'm going from there, I'll be a 13-minute vlog, I'm going. Hopefully we can go up to 20 back, but today might not be such a long vlog. We're still waiting to hear back from the government here. But we're carrying on with the life. We're carrying on with life. I'm going up on the roof now to hang out the clothes them. And yeah, let's see what the day holds. Or did I say that this morning already? Yeah, I did say that this morning. Okay guys, so for lunch, I have some oats, chia seed, Greek yogurt, and then I put some date night for sweeten it. And I keep up with Dwayne and Kerry vlog, of course. Yeah. This look like a it for the day. Right, John? You want some? You want some? Alright, guys. This is so handy. I got this from a subscriber. It is so handy. Trust me. Love it. People. Guess what? We're no longer fugitive. As of this morning, we got back our access granted visa. Well, it's an extension visa. So we got back the email saying that it was granted, and we can now go ahead and print it to have it on our person at all times. Listen, I'm so happy. Raje, so we are fugitive.
So we no longer have to live every day like it's our last.
We're no longer fugitive. We just stay here, go and bill and go and chill. Grateful, trust me, grateful. Everything working out for the good of those who serve the Lord. Yeah, so we are freestyle for the rest of the day. We don't have anything to do. It's a Saturday. We're gonna have a little bit of a movie date later. New show released on Netflix. So you don't know what that mean. Popcorn and chill with my guy. With my guy. Me and my guy I go watch some movie and just want to enjoy with Saturday, looking outside and doing nothing else because you don't know our lifestyle.
It's a nice bright.
It's a nice sunny day in Bangalore. Bangalore. It's a nice sunny day in Bangalore. So this is a day in our life. Oh, this is, does he have a name? Lashmi. Okay. Say hi, Lashmi. Alright, so here I'm gonna give you here you go. Okay, what's your name? Huh? Parvati? Okay, take care. All right. Listen, sharing the space with other people is so hard. Watch it. I clean up this yesterday when I go up, you know. Clean it up yesterday when I go up. Watch it. This is my pattern stuff for me just bring. Watch it. Like, so hard. Like, I'm always afraid to clean up the kitchen. Me just cannot. Trust me. But what to do? Oh yeah, you can't end the Big Bang. Guys, so I was just downstairs making my dinner, right? Let me show you what I made for dinner, by the way. What happened? Alright, so this is what I made for dinner. Fish tea. I don't know how Jamaicans do it already. Yeah. We have pumpkin, chocho, look a piece of fish flesh, this is pumpkin already, carrots of course, and then we have some Irish mix up in it. But it's a chocho, and then we put corn also, had some corn into it also. So while I was downstairs doing what I do in the kitchen, a young man and an elderly lady came up to me. Let me just insert the clip and then we'll come right back and tell you what happened, because this was crazy, okay? You have never met a Jamaican before? First time meeting a Jamaican? First time? First time. Okay. Alright, just a minute. Bangladesh. You guys are from Bangladesh? Yes, I know Bangladesh through cricket. West Indies. Chris Gale. Yes, DJ Bravo. Yes. Yes. You know a lot of cricketers. Yeah.
I've seen them cricket a lot.
Yeah.
And Kyron
Pollard. Yes. Those are the greats.
Bangladesh Premier League, BPL.
Bangladesh has a Premier League?
BPL.
No, just the Indian Premier League.
Indian IPL.
Yes, the IPL. Mm-hmm.
Bangladesh Premier League.
Okay. So they are from Bangladesh originally, as you probably heard in the video. Listen, they were so obsessed with me because this is the first time they are meeting a black person, and not just black, not from Africa black, from Jamaica black. So it became a whole thing. Them start call people upon them phone. The guy want to take pictures. Me stand up and take a picture with them, you know. One with his mother, one with him, one with him and his mother, because somebody else have to come take a picture. Them start call one next person from one different room to come take picture. I'm a celebrity.
It's a good thing somebody go down there, so. I have a nice squishy face. Very photogenic.
I'm a celebrity, and I was looking a mess today. As you can see, me look a mess. but they were so eager to take pictures. And then you know, the whole cricket talk jump in, cause I want to say from Jamaica, any side of this world, it's all about cricket. Music not so much, it's all about cricket. Chris Gale, Andre Russell, Pollard, the whole entire squad. I look at things so much cricket and can have these discussions with these persons. Listen, it was a little bit funny, but that's what I was saying earlier when I was talking. I think in one of my previous videos, I was saying like racism here is, but also there's a lot of persons who are so loving and kind and warm, and you know, yeah. So that happened, and then now we're gonna eat with dinner and call it a night, I guess. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You already know that we love and appreciate every single one of you. We have like 130 or 150 loyal people on this channel that once the video drop, we know the views gone up. We love and appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. God's richest blessing to you as you enjoy your Sunday, and have a wonderful new week. I dozed off for a second and then wake up to check on Raje and I realized that his hands started swelling. So I called the nurse and she came and started to tend to him, trying to see exactly how bad it was. But I realized that the medication seeped under his skin on this hand, and it has already seeped under the other hand because his veins are so tiny and his skin is so thin from everything that is happening that this happened.